Well, today is an exciting day for the Gillies. Today we get our windows on our house, finally. We placed the order a few weeks ago, and the lead time was about normal, but it seemed a little slow because we were waiting impatiently for them. But we have our windows. We got them from Pella, and these are some sweet windows. So we're going to start popping them in, and I'm going to show you just how cool these windows are. If you're new here, just joining us, this is building the dream one tree at a time. We as in me, my wife, my kids, our family and friends like to come and help. We're building our own custom dream house from our own trees right here on our property. Milling them up with our Woodland Mills sawmill, and yeah, building ourselves a dream house. So that's what we're up to. And today is all about windows. Check it out. Your windows are here, baby.
Yep.
Happy, Mama?
Yep.
All right.
Woo. Now get to work.
Oh, okay. All right, let me show you these windows. These are Pella. I went with Pella. One of the other contenders was the Big A. You know what I'm talking about, the Big A. You window people will know. Yeah, the A400s, yeah. But I went with the Pella, and here's one of the reasons. Okay, so we knew we wanted wood windows, and they are aluminum clad on the outside for durability, and they look sweet. They have this installation system where you can install them easily from the inside, and that was a selling point for me. Some of these windows we have in this house are very high up in the air and very big, odd shapes. So for that reason, installing from the inside was a huge bonus. So let me show you. They got these, it's called the Steady Set installation clips. Come here, let me show you. Come on. So you got these little clips on the side of the window. And hey kiddo, give me the, there you go. These little brackets, they pop in like this. Now they make these brackets for 2x4 walls, for 2x6 walls, and then adjustable ones for custom walls, which I have. I added a layer of foam board on the outside of the house as an extra piece of insulation. So it's a custom width. So you just insert these to the depth that you want it. That's what I want, because that's the thickness of my wall right there. That's it. They clip in. And then you take the window. Well, after prepping the sill with the flashing tape and all that, I can't forget that. Oh, wait, one more thing. On top, you see these little, looks like one of those little instruments, a little, whatever you call it. Well, it doesn't make finger harp. Yeah, is that what it is? Finger piano. Anyways, it's got one of these. You might ask, what in the world is that for? That keeps the window from falling out of the opening. So you just take it. Assuming your opening is framed properly, which of course it is. Boom. That's it. Those little thingies up there, the little fingers, they keep it from falling back out at you. And then you take some screws. Oh, I guess we should level it. Minor details. All right, so we gotta shim it up a little bit on this side. They even have these little plastic shim blocks on the bottom to help with leveling. They're pretty great. Make it pretty easy. Let's see. Let's see if that did it. Let's scooch over this way some. Check the sides. Yeah. All right, we're level. Then these little clips. I start by tacking them with one screw each. Battery had to go out now. This one won't go out on me. Oh boy. Sure is nice to be doing this from inside and not up on a ladder outside of the house. Now, let's release this packaging. See how it works. Nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Now, add the rest of the screws. Just another screw per clip. There it is. That's the inside part. Now, yes, still got to go outside, and there's a flexible nail fin, not a nail fin, a flexible flashing fin, where a nail fin would be, that folds out on the outside now. So we got to just fold that out and tape it like you would any other window, and that's it. So let's go do that. All right, then from the outside, just pull off the little clips. Come on a little closer so you can see. Yeah. So we got all these things right here that hold the fin folded out for the transport and the install. So then after you pop it in from the inside, you fold these out just like that, and you tape, and you have yourselves a window. I'm gonna get Lisbeth over here to tape. She's good at that. So this part isn't any different than taping any other window. Get your flashing tape, do the sides, and then the top. Don't do the bottom. Okay, for those who don't know how to install a window, you don't tape the bottom. You tape the bottom before installing the window, but you don't tape over the flange, because you got to give the water somewhere to go if it gets through all this, which it won't, but you know. For the top. Dust off. There it goes. And there you go. We have ourselves a nice waterproof window. It's that easy to install one of these steady set Pella windows with these installation clips. They're great windows. Only thing left to do now is spray foam the gaps from the inside, just like you would any other window. That's it. Easy peasy. There we go. The monster. The big beast. All right. Now come on towards me. Wait.
Don't drop my
How
window.
much do you have on your end?
Not a lot.
The rooms on either side are also going to have some really cool windows. Custom made by Daddy. Some of the windows we put in are these casement windows. And that swing out, you know. Still got the nice little yellow plastic temporary hardware on them. But, yep, they're pretty great. And here's my favorite part. Screen retracts. Yeah. And then just kind of, boom. So you don't have to sit there staring at a screen all day when you don't need the screen there. It's pretty great. I love these windows. They're awesome. All right, so it's a lot of windows, but we're making good progress. They're so quick to pop in. The only part that takes a while is the prepping the opening, you know, cutting out the plywood where we just plywooded right over when we were building the frame. So now we have to cut out the window openings and prep them with the tape and everything. And that takes a little bit of time, but other than that, just popping into windows, that's been quick. Flying through all these, so yeah, coming along. All right, got them all spray foamed. We are done. Done with the windows. Well, not quite, actually. I'll let you in on a little secret. All right, next video is gonna be about windows again, but not just installing windows that I've bought. I got 2 spots on this house where I was not able to get windows to fit where I wanted them to. They're little bitty arched windows and they are gonna open. So Pella, I gave them the specs and they gave me the closest thing they could do, which was too big, or it was something else that wouldn't be able to open. So I said, you know what? I'll handle these myself. So I'm building windows for those 2 little spots. They're in the dormers, in a little doghouse dormers upstairs. So next episode we'll deal with custom building those little arch top operable windows. So stay tuned for that one. That's going to be kind of cool. Dealing with curves and wood and all that. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Come on back and see us. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching and God bless. Catch you on the next one.